As a board-certified criminal lawyer, I represent individuals and businesses facing charges in state courts in Houston, Harris County, and surrounding areas, including Galveston, Fort Bend, Montgomery, Brazoria, and Brazos counties. I also represent individuals and businesses charged with crimes in federal courts throughout the state of Texas. As both a criminal defense attorney and a former prosecutor, I have handled thousands of criminal cases ranging from DWI to capital murder. I am board certified in criminal law by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization. Unlike many awards that you see listed on lawyer websites, board certification is the only distinction established by the state bar that recognizes an attorney as a specialist in criminal law. I pride myself on availability and accessibility to my clients. I provide personal and detailed attention to every case I handle, and I work tirelessly to achieve the best outcome for my clients under any circumstances. I represent individuals charged with crimes such as drug crimes, including the possession and delivery of marijuana, dangerous drugs, or controlled substances, domestic violence and violation of a protective order, deferred adjudication and probation violations, DWI, assaultive offenses, shoplifting and theft, felony violent crimes, including aggravated assault, robbery, aggravated robbery and murder, prostitution and sexually oriented business violations, gun and other weapons offenses, gambling, and sex offenses, including sexual assault, aggravated sexual assault, both of adults and of a child, indecent exposure, and public lewdness. I also represent businesses and individuals who have not yet been charged but are under investigation or may soon be under investigation by a law enforcement agency. Having an experienced and qualified criminal defense lawyer during the investigative phase of a criminal case may be the difference between whether charges are filed or not. As a former white-collar prosecutor, I have considerable experience with financial crimes, including embezzlement, employee theft, insurance fraud, mortgage fraud, healthcare fraud, money laundering, and securities fraud. I spent over 2 years of my career as a prosecutor working exclusively with financial crime. I have a deep understanding of how these cases are investigated and prosecuted, and the knowledge and experience needed to deconstruct and root out gaps in the government's evidence in these cases. For individuals seeking to clear their records, I understand the law related to expunction and non-disclosures, and I can provide counsel regarding eligibility and procedures for obtaining a non-disclosure or expunction.